Everyone's a candidate for dental implants for the most part. However, some medical conditions will lead to increased failure rates. The one condition that has the highest failure rate associated with it is smoking. So people who smoke have a much higher failure rate over the long term than those who don't smoke when it comes to dental implants. Smoking isn't so awful that it's an absolute contraindication to even doing implants. Smokers can have implants, but it's very important that we have a discussion with them regarding their lower success rate. If they're able to quit smoking even for 2 weeks prior to the surgery, then their success rate goes back to normal. Now, granted, they have to remain a non-smoker forever, but if we can just get them to quit, then their success rates go back up to normal levels, which is in the mid 90% for lifetime.